Are you or your people struggling to work with multiple worksheets and workbooks? Are you wanting to improve your team's data forecasting, lookup function, and formula auditing skills? Now, you can accelerate your team's Microsoft Excel skills with iLearn. Welcome to our Excel 2016 Advanced course. During this course, we'll teach your people how to build on the foundational and intermediate knowledge presented in the Microsoft Office Excel 2016 Part 1 and Part 2 courses to help them get the most out of the Excel experience. We recommend this course for learners who are experienced Excel 2016 users and have a desire or need to advance their skills in working with some of the more advanced Excel features. At the end of this course, your learners will discover how to work with multiple worksheets and workbooks, as well as use lookup functions and formula auditing. They'll know how to share and protect workbooks, automate workbook functionality, create sparklines and mapping data, and forecast data. Training times are normally arranged in more manageable sessions of 6 hours over 2 days and can be delivered virtually or at your workplace. By choosing this short course, you're offering your staff the opportunity to learn when and where they want at a pace that suits them. It will also give your learners the opportunity to consume content in short bursts and will enable them to apply their knowledge in the workplace immediately, instantly boosting their productivity. To book now, visit the short courses section on our website. We look forward to seeing your learners on the inside. iLearn, empowering people to empower others.